Hi everyone! For those of you returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for your support of my YouTube channel. For those of you who might be new here, welcome as well. I am a mom of 4 young kids, working full-time, and I do really love fashion and beauty, and that's what my channel is all about, fashion, beauty, and the mommy lifestyle. So that sounds like something you're interested in. Please consider watching my other YouTube videos in addition to subscribing to my channel below. For today's video, I wanted to share with you another Ipsy unboxing, or should I say unbagging. So it is here. I just got this in the mail about a week or so ago. I haven't busted into it yet because I wanted to film this for you all today, and I'm really excited to see what's inside. And I purposely do not look at any of the mailers or any of the emails that I receive about this bag just so I can be totally surprised and unbag it here for you guys. So let me go ahead and open this beautiful bag. So for those of you who haven't watched my previous Ipsy unbagging or are unfamiliar with the company, Ipsy is a makeup and beauty monthly subscription service where you get a beautiful cosmetic bag like this every single month, and inside contains 5 products. Usually they're sample size type products, however there are some more full-size products as well occasionally. So this is a great subscription service that allows you to try a lot of really new innovative products. And you can also go onto their website and purchase full-size versions of some of these samples as well, in addition to many other full-size beauty products at a pretty good discount. So it looks like the bag for April is this really cute lemon print. Has a cute ribbon pull tab. Let's see what's inside. And I just love these cosmetic bags, as I've said in other videos. I think they're very versatile for many things. I tend to use them mostly just in my purse for catch-alls. And look at the lining of this bag. It's a beautiful mint turquoisey color. It's a really bright and fresh for spring, so I'm looking forward to throwing this in my bag. And it comes with one of these beauty cards, and it tells you a little bit about the bag and some of their new services that they're offering. So let's go ahead and see what's inside this month. So the first thing I pull out here is a Buxom mascara in Blackest Black. That's what it looks like. And as I said previously, I really do like getting these little trial or sample sizes of mascara because I never usually go through a full bottle in the recommended 3 months that you should keep these things. So it's nice to have just small sizes. And I do really try to change up my mascaras every 3 months for sanitary reasons. So I'm looking forward to using this Buxom one. I haven't tried this before. I've tried their lip products, of course, like a lot of you all have. But I'm looking forward to trying the mascara. The next thing looks like it's Moods by Laura Sanchez. It looks like this is probably eyeshadow or a face product. Really cute packaging. Oh, that's really adorable. Look at the back there too. Really cute graphics. And it looks like a really neutral eyeshadow. And I'll swatch it here for you. Seems very smooth. I'm definitely going to use this type of color. It's very subtle. There's a little bit of shimmer. You can see it there. And it does seem to apply pretty smoothly, so I'm definitely going to get some use out of this, especially since it kind of suits my color tones that I like to wear. The next product is, let's see, Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics. So I'm not familiar with this brand, but that's really why I like Ipsy, is you get to try these different products. It's a lip oil. It's color infused hydrating oil in the color Watermelon. Looks like it's cruelty free, it's vegan. Let me open the packaging here. It's a really nice, cute package, lip oil. And I do like lip oils because they tend to be kind of a combination between lip color and a balm, which really suits my lifestyle pretty well. And they usually have pretty good staying power. Let me swatch this for you. The color looks a little intimidating in the bottle, but like a lot of lip oils, when you actually put it on your lips, I think it's going to be very sheer. And that's really pretty color. And actually, I think it smells like watermelon, actually. I may be imagining things because I know that's the color shade, but it actually smells like watermelon. That's the color. So really sheer, beautiful color. I can tell it's going to be very, very hydrating, and it's definitely not as dark as the vial would suggest. So I think I'm really going to enjoy that in the summer months. Very light lip color. And then the next thing I have here is a purplicious nail polish. So the color is purple, of course. It's by the company Law Beauty Essentials. It's 100% vegan friendly, toxin free nail color. And again, I tend to get a lot of nail colors in my Ipsy bag. I'm not sure if that's what my profile says I would like or whatnot, but I actually do like them. In fact, the color I have on right now is from previous Ipsy bag as well. And this is a really pretty color. I don't have anything quite like this, I think, in my collection. So it's a beautiful kind of lavender shade that I think will be perfect for spring and summer. So I look forward to trying this, and I'll show you how it looks on in future videos. And the final fifth product in here is Delectable Body Butter Cream in Triple Citrus Blend. So I have had some of their lotions before, and I really enjoy them. Just a really nice scent usually. And let me just open this up for you so I can see how this smells. These are always usually very hydrating, and it seems to be a relatively thick formulation with a little bit of a whipped texture. That's what it looks like. So it feels like a very hydrating, moisturizing body cream. And the scent is really refreshing. It's a citrus blend, and it matches the beautiful lemon bag. But I think I'm going to enjoy that again. Again, I love these little mini body butters or hand creams to just throw into your bag. Very handy. So I really haven't purchased one of these small little hand creams for so long because I tend to get a lot of them in my Ipsy bags as well. And I'm still working through them all. But another nice little Ipsy find. So that does it. The bag's empty. And those are my 5 products for the month of April. So I hope you enjoyed this video and got an idea of what I got in my Ipsy bag. If you have any questions about how these products perform, or any questions about my experiences with Ipsy as well, please go ahead and leave them in the comments below. Please also comment below and let me know what you got in your Ipsy bag and some cool items you think I need to check out from the line. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you like these type of videos, and I'll look forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye!